Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look in the gold market. Yesterday we talked on the two possible trading steps here. The first is a response on the major resistance in 1547. We said that could be a nice opportunity to go short with the print by the sell trade, because here is very good sell-off thrusting action. Once market will hit the 30% resistance, we could consider the possible taking the short position with downward action. So you can see this trade stands underway, but here we have the one tricky moment. So by the June Napoli, the reaching of the level should be above the 3x3 moving average. But here we have the response on the market, fast retracement right to the 30% level faster than a 3x3. So market hasn't crossed yet. So it could mean that it doesn't change the overall idea of the momentum, because momentum exists, levels exist, so response due to the momentum also exists. But well, it doesn't correspond totally to June Napoli rules, so we could call it as maybe Brent Brothers sell lookalike or something of that sort. But this doesn't change the core idea of the trades. Market starts downward action. Second trade that we have talked about is a possible deeper upward retracement. So we could get kind of the hand and shoulders patient, something of that sort. But later it could lead to another drop here on the gold market. So, or as we said, the failure of this pattern, which also will mean for us something that will tell us that market should go above the head. Theoretically, by the overall background in the world, the chances that sooner or later market will exceed this top is really significant. All these moments we have covered in our fundamental part of the vehicle research. Well, the major idea is that as interest rates are running to zero, there's no difference between the keeping of the interest generating interest assets such as the bonds, for example, or just keeping the gold. But the gold has real intrinsic value compared to the financial assets. So that's the reason why the demand for the gold could increase significantly. Second reason is the background is the coming just the amount of the new money printing that we haven't seen any time before. So as you know, for supporting of the domestic bond market, Federal Reserve already announced the program for $5 trillion. So this is just outstanding the amount. Additional money will be printed on the fight to coronavirus. So all this stuff supporting idea of the long-term demand for the gold. Currently we see just gold stands on the impact of some money flows between the markets closing on the margin positions, running in the cash. So, but I think that it will not last too long. So maybe 1-2 weeks. Then the common sense should come on the first stage again, and the situation on gold and other precious metals could change. So here we just and all this stuff could be find a reflection in this head and shoulders pattern. So once head and shoulders will fail, market starts climbing higher back to the top, it will mean the upward breakout will follow. If this cash flows from from the markets into the just cash will keep for a longer time, it means that head and shoulders could work first, but then reversal could happen. So that's the things that we should keep an eye on. Currently, in today's action, we are watching for this Brandon body trade, because it's actually already stands near the final point. That is how it has started. ABCD retracement, guard is equal to sell, and market comes to the targets around 1490. And then we will see what will happen. Theoretically, the deeper retracement could start as market responds on the strong weekly support and the weekly oversold level. So we will consider what will happen. So that's our view on the gold market currently. For example, here could be some kind of the head and shoulders pattern with a higher retracement to the 1590 to the 16 even hour area. As you can see on the daily chart, 1606, 1607 is the next 618 resistance. So that theoretically the level should be achieved, and somewhere in this area around 1550 or 16 area, we should get the answer whether the market will follow to this large A, B, C top D pattern, or it will coil around here for some time, start moving above the 6 or 7 level. It will mean that we're ready to challenge the 17 even target, 17 even top. So that confirms the idea of the starting demand for the gold. That's 2 moments to keep an eye on, and it seems that situation in the gold market should be interesting in the nearest time.